Hello, hi, my name is Crypto Nerd, and in this video I'll be going through the latest news surrounding the US stock market and the crypto market. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Currently sitting at 172 subscribers, hoping to hit the 1,000 mark as soon as possible. So last Friday we saw the US release their inflation numbers at 8.6%, which was higher than expected. As I mentioned earlier on in a couple of other videos, the UK inflation is currently sitting around 8 to 9%. They're expecting it to hit over 10% this year. So I do think the US inflation hasn't peaked yet, personally, based on UK numbers, because they have a similar setup. Um, we have the Fed meeting next week, so it's really important to keep an eye out on Jerome Powell. He said that 75 basis point increase is not on the table yet, but if the inflation continues to rise, we'll see 50 basis points increase, at least for the next four Fed meetings. You can see inflation is really beginning to worry investors. We've seen Bitcoin trading around 28K. It hit as low as 28,099 today. So yeah, still a bit of way to go to hit its all-time low of 26,700, which was last month. So let's see what happens this Wednesday and Thursday in the Fed meeting. It's going to be very important. We're seeing altcoins getting murdered. We've seen Matic trading around 0.54. Veracity's down quite a bit. If everything's down 10 to 12%. So Veracity's down to 0.05. In comparison, not that bad compared to Bitcoin, which was down 2% now. So yeah, altcoins almost down double the percentage of Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What you think is going to happen to the market. Do you see Bitcoin trading below 20K? As I mentioned, I do think US inflation hasn't peaked yet, although it's at an all-time high for four-year decade at 8.6%. So yeah, stock market's slumped as well on both sides of the Atlantic. In Britain, FTSE 100 tumbled 2% to a 3-week low. European stocks is off around 2%, and the S&P 500 in New York. Economists predicted that the American Federal Reserve would press on with a sharp increase. As I said, that expected 50 basis increase. US petrol prices are rising, as are petrol prices around the world. So yeah, you can just see this tweet here. Cost of living is going up. So people aren't going to be focusing on stocks and investing their money. They're going to be thinking about everyday stuff. Obviously, the war in Ukraine as well. So yes, pretty bearish sentiment. Let me know your comments below. If you found the video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. As I said, Wednesday and Thursday next week will be a key time in the market. So yeah, let me know what you're going to be buying as well. So yeah, thanks everyone.